leaving so long. Hey, little one, I'm so scared of what this could have been. I know that today I lost my only friend, my little one. The places I took you, they seem so fucking empty. I have trouble going anywhere at all, especially my own bed.